Detox formula to expel damaged cells from the body. Every year, global statistics on various types of cancer continue to reveal a significant increase, posing considerable challenges in the field of healthcare. Cancers such as breast, lung, stomach, and liver cancer are becoming increasingly prominent concerns, particularly in the context of a society undergoing a rejuvenation process. The rejuvenation of the severity of cancer is not only rooted in the rise in the number of cases occurring at younger ages but also correlates with changes in lifestyle and the environment. Factors such as dietary habits, reduced physical activity, environmental pollution, and exposure to carcinogens are exerting a profound impact on the global health landscape. According to World Health Organizations, many types of cancer are emerging at younger ages and are becoming more prevalent in developing countries. This poses a substantial challenge in terms of disease risk and pressure on healthcare systems. Efforts in prevention and healthcare are becoming increasingly crucial to confront this reality. Incorporating a healthy lifestyle with natural, supportive foods further enhances these efforts. Cauliflower, a member of the cruciferous vegetable family alongside broccoli, kale, cabbage, and collards, boasts incredible health benefits. Characterized by a compact head known as curd with an average diameter of 6 inches, cauliflower is a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. While lacking carotenoids and chlorophyll, typical phytonutrients in most vegetables, white cauliflower still exhibits unique antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to the prevention of various cancers. Owing much of its prowess to a rich arsenal of antioxidants. These powerful compounds, including vitamins C and K, play a crucial role in neutralizing toxins within the body, thereby curbing the potential for toxin-related damage that might elevate the risk of cancer. The intricate dance between cauliflower's antioxidants and harmful toxins underscores its significance in breaking the chain of events that could lead to the initiation and progression of cancer. By actively intercepting and neutralizing these toxins, cauliflower creates a protective shield against the factors contributing to cancer development. The recommendation to incorporate cauliflower into juicing recipes takes a strategic approach to harnessing the full potential of its antioxidants. Juicing not only extracts essential nutrients efficiently but also ensures that antioxidants are readily available for absorption by the body. This method maximizes the impact of cauliflower's antioxidants, actively combating oxidative stress and minimizing the risk of cancer. Moreover, the synergy created by combining cauliflower with other antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables in juicing recipes enhances both the flavor profile and the nutritional benefits. This collaborative effort ensures a diverse range of antioxidants, each contributing its unique properties to fortify the body's defense mechanisms against cancer. Below are 2 green drink recipes featuring cauliflower, designed to have powerful cancer-preventing effects. For both recipes, you can adjust the ingredient ratios to fit your portion size and personal taste. Recipe 1: Cauliflower and Greens Detox Water. Ingredients: 1/2 cup cauliflower, chopped. 1 cup greens such as celery, parsley, or wheatgrass. 1 pomegranate, seeded. 1 orange, juiced. 1 honey stick, optional. 2 cups boiling water, cooled. Instructions. In a blender, place cauliflower, greens, pomegranate seeds, and orange juice. Blend until the mixture becomes smooth. If you want to add sweetness, include honey and blend again. In each glass, place some ice and pour the green water mixture over it. Stir well and enjoy. Recipe 2: Cauliflower and Strawberry Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup cauliflower, chopped. 1/2 cup frozen strawberries, or fresh strawberries. 1 banana, chopped. 1 cup low-fat milk or water of choice. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Some ice. Instructions. Place cauliflower, strawberries, banana, milk, or water, and chia seeds in a blender. Blend until the mixture becomes smooth. In each glass, place some ice and pour the smoothie mixture over it. Decorate with a sprinkle of chia seeds before indulging. These recipes not only provide nutrients from cauliflower but also harness the antioxidant power of greens and fruits, potentially supporting the body's cancer prevention process. Please consult with a doctor if you have any health concerns or questions about the recipe ingredients. Additionally, cauliflower also helps address various other health issues, such as anti-aging. High levels of antioxidants in cauliflower combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging, particularly on the skin. Arthritis prevention. Compounds in cauliflower prevent chronic inflammation, potentially averting conditions such as arthritis and chronic pain. Bone health. The presence of boron enhances the absorption of calcium and magnesium, supporting bone development and preventing osteoporosis and arthritis. Cardiovascular support. Vitamin C, K, and omega-3 in cauliflower aid in preventing plaque formation in blood vessels, enhancing blood circulation and supporting cardiovascular health. Colon health. Cauliflower juice's anti-inflammatory properties and calming effects help prevent chronic inflammation linked to certain bowel conditions, providing crucial dietary fiber for normal bowel function and protecting the colon from cancer-causing damage. Common cold and flu. High vitamin C content makes cauliflower an ideal vegetable for combating colds. Regular consumption of cauliflower juice can improve the immune system. Crohn's disease. Glucosinolates in cauliflower juice, when consumed at an early stage, can prevent inflammatory responses associated with Crohn's disease. When buying cauliflower, choose clean, creamy white ones, if the white variety, with compact and firm curds and intact buds. Avoid spotted or dull-colored ones. For freshness, opt for those with thick green leaves, as they protect the curd. Store raw cauliflower in a paper or plastic bag in the refrigerator, stem side down, to prevent moisture formation in floret clusters. Pre-cut cauliflower florets should be consumed within a couple of days to retain freshness. Juicing cauliflower is an easy way to acquire its vitamins and minerals. Mix the juice with carrots and green apples for a delicious blend. Cautionary note. Cauliflower contains purine, which can lead to increased uric acid levels in the body. Individuals with purine-related issues like gout or kidney stones should limit cauliflower intake. While mashed or juiced cauliflower may emit an odor, it is natural and not a cause for concern if using fresh cauliflower. Thank you for tuning in to our empowering video on the cancer-preventing cauliflower detox. We'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, and personal experiences. Join the conversation and drop your comments below. How do you incorporate cauliflower into your diet? Have you tried this detox recipe? Share your insights, and let's inspire each other on the journey to better health.